In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printful to TikTok Shop. If you sell with print on demand and want your products to appear on TikTok Shop with orders flowing back to Printful for fulfillment, this quick setup is all you need. Before we start, make sure you have an active Printful account, access to your TikTok Shop Seller Center, and that pop-ups are allowed in your browser. Also, check that TikTok Shop is available in your region and that you're using the correct shop if you manage more than one. First, open your Printful account. Head to the Printful website and sign into your dashboard. If you're new to Printful, you can create an account in a minute and then log in. Keep this page open. We'll do everything from here. Next, click Stores. You'll find stores in the main navigation of your Printful dashboard. This is where all your sales channels live. Clicking it opens a page that shows any existing stores you've connected and gives you the option to add a new one. Now, select the platform you want to connect and choose TikTok Shop. Printful will show a list of available integrations. Find TikTok Shop and select it. If you don't see it, make sure your account is set to the correct region and try refreshing the page. Then, follow the prompts on your screen to authorize your account. A window will open that takes you to TikTok Shop's secure authorization page. Sign in to the TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you aren't already, choose the correct shop if you manage multiple stores and review the permissions requested. These typically include access for managing products and syncing orders, which is necessary for automated fulfillment. Confirm to authorize. You may be asked to verify with a code. Complete that step and continue. When everything is approved, you'll be redirected back to Printful and you should see a success message and your TikTok Shop listed as a connected store. A few quick tips if anything gets in the way. Temporarily disable strict pop-up or ad blockers, ensure you're logged into the right TikTok account, and double-check that you have admin access to the shop. If the authorization stalls, try a different browser or an incognito window and repeat the authorization. That's it. You've connected Printful to TikTok Shop. From here, you can proceed at your own pace to manage products and fulfillment, knowing the two platforms are linked and ready to work together.